What's going on, guys? It's Trey Mathis here from WiFi Entrepreneur.com. Today, I believe is July 13th or 16th, 15th. Today is July 15th. I'm in Brookville, Maryland. You see with my wonderful family here. My dog's going crazy, Pumpkin. I'm going fishing. And this is the Wi-Fi Journal. So, like I said, my wife and I are going down to the pond. My dog is going crazy. We had a cookout yesterday with some friends. It was great. I actually learned a pretty cool lesson about my dog is going crazy. One thing, my dog got spaded yesterday. She's on these drugs. She's losing it. Look at this. She doesn't want to be on the leash. You guys seen her in the past. She's never been on the leash, but I learned a cool little lesson about having parties at your house. It's a great way to meet new people. Also, you get to be the star of the show because it's your event. So I had an opportunity to have some friends over, meet new people, share new perspectives and ideas, which is always fun, just like us here on this mastermind group. It's great to come together and
no jumping.
Have great new ideas. This dog is going crazy. But as you guys know, she doesn't normally do leashes, but she's got her snaps and neutered, spayed and neutered, if you will. One or the other. Spayed, she got spayed. So we have to keep her on a leash, and she doesn't like being on a leash in this beautiful farmland. Look at this. It's great. So we're going fishing right now, but just wanted to quickly jump on, make a quick video, share with the mastermind group. One of the things that we did today was start an improvement on our lead capture page. We're using the AI technology to thank you, wife. And for those who are new to the mastermind group, that's my wife, Alicia. And you'll see other videos from us, other different blogs. But we worked on our artificial intelligence a little bit. We saw our improvement in the capturing of new leads, new partners, like you guys. So that's been great. So the changes that we made to that has been great. And again, if you want information on how you can use artificial intelligence to grow your business, I'll leave a link below. But one of the lessons I learned about working online is you still need to find time to be off. So that's why we're on our way fishing. Family, I got the chairs, so I wanted to make the quick video. But again, when you're off, you should be off. When it's time for family, spend time with family. When it's time for work, be fully committed to your work. So with that, I'll leave it there. Talk to you guys real soon.